Push-to-talk is a communication feature that gives you complete control over when your microphone transmits audio. Instead of having an open microphone that picks up all sounds, push-to-talk only activates your mic when you hold down a specific key or button. Setting up push-to-talk in Black Ops 6 is straightforward, but the exact steps vary slightly between PC and console platforms. We'll walk through both methods so you can get your voice communication configured perfectly. For PC players, start by launching Black Ops 6 and navigating to the main settings menu. From there, you'll want to click on the audio section where all voice communication options are located. Here's what the audio settings menu looks like in Black Ops 6. You can see various volume controls, including master game volume and voice chat volume. The key section we need to focus on is the voice chat configuration area. Now we need to locate the specific voice chat options. Look for the microphone settings section, where you'll find the option to switch from open mic to push-to-talk mode. This is also where you can adjust your microphone sensitivity. For console players, the process is very similar, but uses your controller instead of keyboard and mouse. Navigate to the same audio settings menu using your controller's interface. Here's an example of what the push-to-talk setting looks like in the game interface. Notice how the voice chat option is clearly set to push-to-talk mode, which gives you full control over your microphone activation. An important setting to adjust is your microphone sensitivity. Most players find that setting the sensitivity between 50 and 70% works best. This ensures your voice is clearly picked up when you use push-to-talk without being too sensitive to background noise. Once you've enabled push-to-talk mode, you'll notice immediate benefits in your gameplay communication. Your teammates will hear you more clearly without background noise, and you'll have complete control over when you're transmitting audio during intense gaming moments. Remember, after enabling push-to-talk, you'll need to set up your preferred key or button binding. This is covered in the next section, but the important thing is that you now have push-to-talk mode activated and ready to configure. Now that push-to-talk is enabled, we need to customize your keybind to find the perfect key for your communication needs. The right keybind can make the difference between smooth team coordination and missed callouts. For PC players, customizing your push-to-talk keybind is straightforward. First, navigate to the game settings menu. Navigate through settings, then controls, and finally select keyboard and mouse options. This will open the complete keybinding menu where you can customize all your controls. Once in the keyboard and mouse settings, scroll down to find the communication section. This is where all voice chat related keybinds are located, including push-to-talk. When selecting your push-to-talk key, you have several popular options. The V key is easy to reach and great for casual players. The T key offers quick access near your movement keys. However, most competitive players prefer mouse side buttons because they don't interfere with movement or other keyboard functions. Gaming mice with side buttons are the preferred choice for most competitive players. These buttons offer instant thumb access without requiring any movement from your keyboard hand, eliminating potential conflicts with movement or combat keys. Console players can also customize their push-to-talk controls. Navigate to Settings, then Controls, and select your controller options. Look for the communication settings where you can assign push-to-talk to your preferred button combination. For controller users, consider button combinations that won't interfere with core gameplay. D-pad down plus X is a less commonly used combination, while left bumper plus A is popular among console players. Always avoid buttons used for jumping, shooting, or aiming to prevent conflicts during intense moments. Professional players follow two key principles when choosing their push-to-talk keybind. First, select a key that's easily accessible without moving your hand from its natural gaming position. Second, avoid any keys that conflict with movement, combat, or other essential functions. Always test your chosen keybind in a practice match before jumping into competitive play. By customizing your push-to-talk keybind thoughtfully, you'll communicate more effectively and reduce background noise, giving you a real competitive edge in Black Ops 6. Remember to choose accessibility over complexity, and always test your setup before important matches.